Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. So ngayon, ang i-discuss naman natin is yung Solid Waste Management Program ng Municipality of Los Baños, Laguna. So first, what are the components of their ecological solid waste management? Nandito yung environmental organization, engineering, enforcement, education, tsaka equity. As we go along the way, mas iintindihan natin itong mga components ng kanilang ecological solid waste management. So, for the environmental structure, binubuo ito ng 14 barangays or yung 14 committee ng bawat barangay. So, kasama nila sa pamamalakad is yung tinatawag natin na MENRO, GSO, tsaka Engineering Department, as well as with the supervision ng Office of the Mayor.
For the enforcement of municipal ordinances, Los Baños has TFKs or the Task Force Kalinisan wherein sila'y nagmo-monitor and nag-enforce ng ordinances. Nakipag-coordinate ang MENROS sa municipal tanods and tinrain sila para sa monitoring and enforcement. And i-allow na rin sila na magbigay ng ticket sa mga lumalabag. Sa mga barangay, tinuruan din sila ng enforcement pero hindi pa masyadong na-implement dahil sa election. Pero after ng reorganization sa barangay, magkakaroon ulit ng orientation regarding the enforcement of the ordinances. So, yung enforcers ay required na umattend ng training para alam nila yung mga ordinances. So, para maging familiar sila sa mga pinapatupad na ordinances ng Los Baños and kung ano ba yung dapat nilang gawin, kung paano nila i-approach yung tao na lumabag and kung ano ba yung nalabag na ordinances. So, dahil may citation ticket kung saan bawal sila magkamali ng isusulat dahil counted siya sa COA. So, may incentives din sila na marireceive. So, sa bawat mahuhuli nila, makakatanggap sila ng 25% no penalty.
On regards on their education, the MENRO conducts regular seminars and training for the barangays on solid waste management. And the barangays also conduct face-to-face or house-to-house IEC seminars and other activities to promote waste segregation for the community. The barangays disseminate IEC materials and put up signages on the schedule of collection and distribute them to the community in order for them to see. The barangay officials also are invited to participate in various trainings, seminars, conferences, and other events on solid waste as mandated by the ILG. The barangays also participate in regular monitoring of the ILG. The examples are quarterly environmental compliance audit and semi-annual self-monitoring compliance audit of the ENR.
First, the barangays allocate some budget for solid waste, particularly on maintenance and repair of their trucks, salary of driver and helper, weekly cleanup, etc. Second, barangays are also encouraged to use their DRRM and GAD funds for SWM. And lastly, the MENRO, GSO, and MEO also allocate budget for SWM projects.
So, lahat ng barangay is may kanya-kanyang MRF or yung Materials Recovery Facility. Then, itong mga trucks na ito, kapag napuno na is itatransfer siya sa mas malaking truck. Na kung saan itong mas malaking truck na ito is dadalhin niya yung mga residual waste sa San Pedro, Laguna. Kagaya ng ibang bayan, itong Los Baños, Laguna, wala siyang sariling sanitary landfill. So, transfer lang din siya ng basura sa ibang lugar. So, out of the 14 barangays, 11 doon may kanya-kanyang or may mga kani-kanilang trucks para sa mga basura. Then, dalawa doon sa 14 na barangays is kinokolekta ng municipal trucks. Then, one is the upland barangay or yung mas yung itirang isa is on-site ang collection at disposal ng kanilang basura. present dito yung maraming establishment, mga malalaking eskwelahan, isama mo na rin yung mga resort. So, para mabawasan yung mga plastic dito sa Los Baños, nakipag-partner ang municipality sa Republic Cement, na kung saan every Thursday morning mangongolekta sila ng basura mula sa 35 establishment. Then hanggang sa makaipon sila ng isang malaking truck ng mga basura or ng mga plastic, ita-transfer naman nila ito sa Taysan, Batangas. So doon sa planta or doon sa planta ng cement, doon ginigiling yung mga plastic na naiipon ng municipality ng Los Baños. Then i-convert nila yon or isasama nila yung mga giniling na plastic para maging semento. So, kada truck ng basura, merong corresponding cement yun. So, dito makikita natin sa Summary of Deliveries and Cements. Noong 2021, nakapag-deliver na ang municipality ng Los Baños ng 4.92 tons na equivalent ito sa 24.6 bags ng semento. Noong 2022, nakapag-kolekta naman sila ng 18.64 tons of plastics. Equivalent din ito sa 93.20 bags. At nitong 2023 pa lamang is nakapag-kolekta na sila ng 7.54 tons na equivalent naman sa 37.7 bags. At ang isa naman sa pinagmamalaking programa ng Municipality of Los Baños is yung Palit Basura Program, na kung saan is yung mga basura o yung mga plastic na naiipon mo ay may corresponding points mula sa card ng Municipality of Los Baños or ng Menro. Dito sa card na to, merong equivalent points na nakalagay na pwede mong makuha.
Another existing solid waste management program of Menro Los Baños is the Aling Tindera or the Cash to Trash program. It officially started in June 2023 and is located at the Central MRF. So, Hope Foundation has established a program for plastic collection in a community, which is the Aling Tindera program. So, they required the LGU to designate one Aling Tindera who will be managing the buying of plastics. So, sila din yung magpo-provide ng gagamitin, which is the 20-footer container ban, 1 baler, and yung weighing scale. Sila din yung magpo-provide ng initial capital, which is 2,000 pesos, and ide-deduct na lang siya sa sales. So, si Aling Tindera ay bibilhin niya yung plastic kay customer for 2 pesos per kilo. And ang gagawin naman niya ay ibebenta niya ito kay Hope Foundation for 2.50 centavos per kilo.
These are the pictures of vermicomposting in their community. It is a daily market waste are collected and processed into soil conditioners which are given to farmers.
Monitoring. First, the Menro is in charge of monitoring the activities related to environment. Second, we have daily monitoring of garbage collection and monthly disposal record of waste to the SLF. The Menro also prepares all report records by the LLG, LLDA, and DNR. And lastly, complaints are immediately monitored and inspected by RTFK.